All right, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. Uh, so on this session, I'll be analyzing the market. I'll be giving out uh, um, entry opportunities. Right. Okay. So uh, um, if this is your first time of joining my live streams. I analyze and give the instructions. When I go here, and all you need to do is just follow demo trading section. Okay, this is you need to have a real money in your trading. I would suggest you start funding right now. My premium group. Okay, I have a premium group where I give signals, market reports, and market analysis. So stop loss around this level, and the market didn't get to that level. You see, the market didn't get to that level. I just shifted it to the downside. This is where I set my stop loss, and the market never got there. Okay, so all right, and as you can see, the market is still printing bearish candles. Now let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if we can still get an entry for this trade. All right. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we have this area where the market has also made a liquidity purge. Okay, the market created a liquidity purge here, indicating that the market is about to change direction. All right. And then here we have a break of structure to the downside, right? We have a break of structure to the downside. So this is also giving us, this is also an indication that the market is going bearish. Okay, the market would go bearish. So now our own entry point will be from this level. Now I want to look out for I want to watch this area where I have a fair value gap. Okay, I want to watch out for this area where we have a fair value gap. And when the market comes back into the fair value gap, I'm going to take a sell opportunity. Okay, I'm going to open a sell position. So you see, this is it, and my stop loss is just going to be around here. I don't want to go too low, too far. So my take profit would be here before the end of this other block. Okay, so we have another block here. See, and my stop loss is just on the other block. Okay, so uh, GBP this is the next move I'm currently waiting for. Okay, so okay, all right. All right, so the Okay, guys, please let me know if you can hear me. Um, just a yes. Okay, just type yes, I can hear you in the comment section. Okay, let me know you can hear me. Okay. So if you couldn't hear me earlier, sorry for the loss in communication. I guess I'll just repeat everything that I've said earlier. Okay, so for GBPCAD, all right, I just made an analysis on GBPCAD, and the analysis here is we have, okay, just a moment. All right, so let me go back to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, that is where I started the analysis from. So on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, here is my trend line, and my trend lines aligns well with this touch, this, and the third touch. Okay, so which makes this a valid trend line. Now the next thing to look out for is the current zone, or the current point where the market is touching my trend line. What is happening there? Okay, what is currently going on with the current touch of the trend line? Is there going to be a market reversal, or is the market going to continue trending to the downside? Okay, so as you can see, obviously the market is heading towards the down direction. Okay, you see the market has been bearish, right? All right, so now let's see what is currently going on here. Then I came down to the 15 minutes time frame to see if this aligns well with the market trend. All right, so after touching the trend line here, if the market is going to start selling, and then when I came down to the 15 minutes time frame, I figured we have a liquidity pool, and then we also have something that looks like a change of character. Though on a normal day, I won't be using this as a change of character, because I want my change of character, to have a body, okay, to have a body closing below my line. But in this case, I just have the wick closing below. Okay, as you see we have this wick, so it's not a full body. But let's go down to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if we can. Yes. So on the 5 minutes time frame, we have a body closing in. Okay. So we have the body. So I think we can still use this as our change of character. Okay. So the body came below the line. Okay. Came below the. It went below the change of character line. So now let's go back to the 30 minutes time frame. Right. So on the 30 minutes time frame, I want to enter the trade from anywhere around here. Okay. Well, let's go down to a lower time frame to get a better view. So on 15 minutes time frame, so on the 15 minutes time frame, the market is currently okay, so that's not a good order block. Neither is there a good fair value gap there. All right, let's go down to a more lower time frame to see if we can get. Okay, so as you can see, these had already been mitigated, so I can't use this anymore. The last bullish candle here is our order block. In this case, okay, so we have another block here. And as you can see, the market has already mitigated the other block because we have a retest. Okay, we had this retest. Uh, so our next order block now is the last bullish candle here, and the market is currently on the last bullish candle. All right. So we are currently on the 5 minutes time frame, and let's wait and see if this current candle is going to reject this level. Okay. So we've already gotten our first rejection. Let's just wait and see if the current candle is going to reject the level once more. So when that happens, we are going to place a sell trade. Okay, we're going to open a sell trade from here to this level. Okay, but if it goes above it, then we wait for another entry, right? Okay, so we are currently on the 5 minutes time frame, and we have about 2 minutes there about to the end of this current candle. Okay, all right. So we have less than 2 minutes to the end of this current candle. So at the end of this candle, we will decide if we are opening a sell position on this trade. Okay, right. All right. So you see, that's a nice one. Though we still have a minute and few seconds to the end of the current candle. So hopefully, the rejection stays this way. So if it stays this way, it's a good indicator for a sell signal. Okay. All right. Few seconds left. Few more seconds to the end of this current candle. So at the end of the candle, we are opening the sell position. Guys, get your account ready. Get your accounts ready. All right. So this is going to be a scalping trade as usual. We are not staying long in the market. We just need the market. All right, guys. Let's sell GBPCAD. All right. We are selling GBPCAD. So this is our entry point. This is our stop loss. Okay. And this is our take profit level. So let's see how the market plays out. Okay. All right. So the market is still ranging on our entry point. Okay. And we took this trade based on what we have here. Okay. So we've gotten a rejection, and the market rejected from a resistance level. So let's see what happens next. Okay, and this is the 5 minutes time frame. So let's just leave the market, to keep running for now. Right. All right. So the market is still ranging. Hopefully, after this candle, the next candle, um, will go to our direction. Right. But we are going to close the trade if this candle closes above the previous rejected candle. Okay. All right. So um, the current candle seems like we are getting another rejection candle. All right. So we have two rejected candles. The first one and the recent candle that just closed. So hopefully, uh, this current candle, goes to our direction. All right. All right, nice move, nice move. Yeah. All right, so the market is heading towards our direction right now. Okay. Okay, nice. All right. So we are getting a wider spread on GBPCAD. So after the close of this candle, we might have to close the trade. I hate trades with spreads. Okay. Uh, so they don't allow you to make the profit you are supposed to make from the market. All right. Okay. So the trade is back to our entry point. All right. So we are still on GBPCAD 5 minutes time frame, and we've spent close to 30 minutes on this trade alone. Okay, so the trade has been busy, ranging on the entry point to this area, to this level. So we might have to break even on this trade. Uh, Now I don't like a slow trade. Okay, this trade is very slow, and we also have a fair value gap on this zone. Okay, and this is not looking good for our entry. What we have down here doesn't look good for our entry. Okay, okay. So a few more seconds to the end of this current candle. Um, if the market keeps behaving this way, we might have to close our position on GBPCAD. Okay, the market has been pretty rough, so it's just going back and forth. Okay, guys, we've spent too much time on this trade. Um, let's close the position. We'll look for another entry point. Okay. Okay. So the market is back to our entry point. Now let's close. Let's let's go analyze um, market without too much spread. Let's analyze XAUUSD. So if you were fortunate enough to have taken this trade yesterday, congratulations. XAUUSD, the market went, it hit our first take profit and also hit our second take profit. All right. XAUUSD is currently making bearish moves. Okay, so this is what is pushing the market downwards. This level right here. This is what is pushing the market to the downside. All right. All right. So now let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go see if we can get an entry opportunity for a down trend. Okay, so nothing good on XAUUSD. Okay, the market is currently trying to align after breaking the structure below here. So the market came back, turning this previous support into a resistance, and that is how this sell came about. Okay, so now if we go down to the lower time frame, as you can see, the market is still trying to align. So if I should start making analysis based on what I'm seeing on the lower time frame, I'd say the market will continue to go down for now. Okay. All right. So no entry opportunity on XAUSD for now. Okay. No entry opportunity. No scalping entry opportunity for now. This market is going to continue to sell. Okay. It will continue to sell. But there are multiple entry points I believe the market, would get to before it starts to sell. So these are few of the areas where I think the market will go back to before selling. Okay. And even though this is the 5 minutes time frame, okay, even though this is the 5 minutes time frame, it's still going to take a while for the market to get here. Okay. So right now, I'm not going to take a sell trade until the market gets to my predicted point of interest. Okay. But here we also have a zone. Okay, this is the zone that is pushing the market to the buy direction. Okay, so as you can see, you see the market is a bit rough from this zone to this level right now. Okay, so I'm not going to place a trade on a rough trade. Instead, I'm going to wait patiently for the market, to decide the direction. Once the market gives a good direction, then I'll look for perfect opportunity. Okay, I'll look for a less risky opportunity to place my position on. All right. All right. So we are currently on BTC USDT, and on BTC USDT, as you can see, okay. So as you can see, we have multiple point of interest here. We have multiple point of interest. Okay. So this is one of them. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have a level here, and I believe that is the level that is currently uh, controlling the market. Okay, so we have a level here where it looks, no, it looks different on the 2 hour time frame, but on the 1 hour time frame, we have a level here, and the market is currently respecting the level that we have there. So let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and on the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, it aligns well with the market trend, the market direction. Okay, we have liquidity here. We have okay. So on the 15 minutes time frame, as you can see, we have we have this point of interest. Okay, a liquidity, a change of character, and now our entry point would be around this level, and this has already been mitigated earlier. So what other level do we have? We have this level. We have this level. Yes. So I'm going to be selling from here, and this would be my stop loss. Okay. Right here, be my first take profit, my second take profit. Okay. So we have an entry point on BTC USDT, but we still need to wait for the market to make a retracement back into this zone. Okay, we need to wait for the market to make a retracement back into this zone before we place a sell position. Okay,